Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on safely using a vertical and falling bandsaw. Before you begin, make sure to wear eye protection and only use tools that you are trained in. Have a partner or mentor with you when using any machinery. Make sure you have a piece correctly prepared before you begin. For the vertical bandsaw, begin by adjusting the blade's guide by measuring 1/4 inch above the height of your piece and tighten the guide. Turn on the bandsaw and use a piece of wood or tool to push the piece through. When sawing, feed the piece at a moderate rate without forcing it. For the falling bandsaw, begin by tightening the pneumatic valve, but do not over-tighten it. Next, lift the bandsaw, place your piece in, and clamp your piece down. Move the guide to be 1/4 inch away from the piece. Then, turn on the bandsaw and slowly rotate the pneumatic valve until you get the desired speed. Do not turn off the falling bandsaw, for it will turn itself off once it reaches the bottom. When working on longer pieces, bring a partner with you to help. Always ask a mentor for help if something is not working, or if you need to change the blade or any other components of the machinery. Once you are finished, clean the chips and debris away with a brush and file down the edges of your piece. Congratulations, you just learned how to use the falling and vertical bandsaw.